In an era where cybersecurity threats are on the rise, protecting your personal data is more crucial than ever. Let's dive into how AI is transforming personal security. AI-powered personal security alerts. AI-powered personal security alerts use artificial intelligence to monitor, detect, and respond to potential threats in real time. Unlike traditional systems, AI continuously analyzes data patterns to identify risks. Machine learning and advanced analytics. Artificial intelligence enhances security with machine learning and advanced analytics. These algorithms learn from data, adapting to new threats that static systems might miss. AI-powered security alerts consist of several key components: real-time monitoring, behavioral analysis, automated response systems, and threat intelligence integration. Real-time monitoring. Real-time monitoring involves continuously scanning your devices and network for unusual activities, ensuring immediate detection of potential threats. Behavioral analysis. Behavioral analysis tracks normal user behavior and detects deviations. For example, if your account shows unexpected login attempts, AI flags it as suspicious. Automated response systems take immediate action when a threat is detected, such as blocking unauthorized access or alerting you, minimizing potential damage. Threat intelligence integration. AI integrates threat intelligence feeds to stay updated on emerging threats. This ensures that the system adapts its detection capabilities to recognize new risks. Benefits of AI security alerts. AI-powered alerts offer numerous benefits: enhanced detection capabilities, reduced false positives, proactive threat management, personalized security measures, and continuous learning. Real-world applications. These alerts are applied across multiple areas: personal devices, home networks, online accounts, financial transactions, and enterprise security. AI tools on personal devices monitor for unauthorized access attempts, ensuring your smartphone and laptop are secure. Home networks. In home networks, AI protects against intrusions and unusual network activity, safeguarding smart home devices and routers. Online accounts. AI secures online accounts by detecting phishing attempts and unauthorized logins, keeping your digital presence safe. Financial transactions. Financial institutions use AI to monitor transactions for fraud, ensuring any unusual activity triggers an alert for additional verification. Enterprise security. Businesses use AI for enhanced threat detection, monitoring network traffic, and identifying insider threats. Despite their advantages, AI-powered alerts face challenges such as privacy concerns, false alarms, and ethical implications. Balancing security with user privacy is essential. Future trends. Future developments will bring advanced AI algorithms, integration with emerging technologies, greater personalization, and an increased focus on privacy. Embrace AI for enhanced security. AI-powered personal security alerts are revolutionizing how we protect our digital lives. By leveraging these advanced tools, you can stay ahead of emerging threats and ensure a safer online experience.